These videos are educational in nature and meant to help 21 and over adult smokers switch to a healthier alternative. Welcome back to the channel, folks. I am Matt.
And I'm your girl V, and we're back at it with another review for you.
So today we're going to check out the Fosta Burst 35K. Interesting disposable. What we have here is an 18 ml disposable that's also got a 7 ml tank of cooling that it can add in. If you hold down the button, it gives you a stronger hit with more cooling. Very interesting. So it has two different tanks, 4 coils total, 3 different modes. So you got, like a normal, a boost or turbo, and then a smooth, I think they call it. It's got adjustable airflow. And like I said, 35,000 puffs. So pretty interesting disposable. We're going to try it burst and non-burst. So she's been using this one. She set it at turbo. I'm going to put it at normal. Airflow's all the way open. Let's try it without burst first.
Without the burst.
And that's watermelon ice.
Very delicious watermelon with just a hint of ice. Now let's boost that baby up.
I love the mouthpiece on these. It's very thin.
Yeah, I do too.
Okay, so without holding the button down, you get like a medium amount of cooling, I would say. Okay, so now you gotta hold it down and keep it held while you're vaping.
All right, let's boost this baby up. Yep, quite a bit more cooling when you push that boost button or whatever you call it.
Yeah, quite a bit more.
Yeah.
Like too much for me, but for those people that really want that whoosh.
Yeah, like maybe if you're out drinking or something, and you're like, I need something more, you just boost it up, baby.
It's icy. I was playing with this yesterday and I actually got like an ice cream headache from vaping it. So if you like tons of ice, obviously that's for you. I like the vape off of this better without the button held down, but to each their own. Up next, we have matcha cake. So it's a matcha frappuccino. You are a matcha lover. You make them all the time. Interested to see what you think of this one.
All right. This is my first time trying this flav. Interesting. It does taste like a matcha latte.
Yeah, it definitely does.
That's very interesting. I've never had a matcha vape before, but I really like that.
Now let's try it bursted.
Now let's burst.
Yeah, it's matcha frappuccino is what it tastes like. It's interesting because it's not something that you vape every day. I feel like I could get used to it though.
Yeah, I really like it, and I actually like it with the boost on that one. It gives it a little extra minty flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's still too much cooling for me. I like it without, but I like that flavor better than I thought I would. It's one of those that you could get used to, I think. Ooh, I got an ice headache, though, from it. All right, up next, we're going to do Mexico Mango. Let me see what we have on this one. So double tap to get through the different power modes. We're going to do it on normal.
Okay. I can't put my finger on it. It's mango, but what's the Mexican part of it?
I think it's just, like, it almost tastes like a drink, like a mango drink or something.
Yeah.
And it's sweeter than most mangoes. But I don't think that there's other fruits in there. It's like mango with maybe like a little bit of creaminess or something, but it's just that added sweetness that gives it a oomph. Let's try it with the button held down.
That is delicioso.
Too much cooling for me. You like it. That
it.
hits me in the head a little bit too much. I like it without. It's got enough cooling without for me, but holding the button down, definitely you can tell a big difference.
Oh, yeah.
So as far as pros and cons with this, there's not a lot of cons. You have a nice display. It tells you your liquid meter, your battery percentage. You have 3 different power modes. You have adjustable airflow. You have that icy button right there you can use. And I like the mouthpiece. So like I'm struggling here finding any cons with it. I think you had said you wish it had a little more airflow.
That was my only con with this vape, is I do wish it had a little more airflow.
Besides that, I think it's all good. It's got a great mouthpiece. It's got more than enough airflow for me. In fact, I would dial it down a little bit, but I would say wide open. It's a loose mouth to lung draw. Really nice flavors. That's very accurate, I think. So it's a winner to me. And I'm starting to see more and more of these disposables where you can adjust the ice on them. There's even some where you can adjust the nicotine on them now, too.
Oh, interesting. What What will they come up with next?
So, all in all, I think it's a winner. Not too big, definitely pocketable, great mouthpiece, great flavors, and you got some extra added functionality. But like we always say in these videos, we would never suggest to anyone to only use disposables. We think they fit certain use cases, good for new vapors dipping their toes in, and good for seasoned vapors that want a supplementary device. But refillable gear is always less expensive and has less waste, so keep that in mind. So I think that's it, guys. I hope this review is helpful for all of you out there. That about wraps it up. Until next time.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time on Matt from SMM with your girl, V. Oh, yeah.